with fire. Your voice resounds like thunder. We glorify your name. Alagbadaina, the one with eyes of fire. Your name is full of wonders. Come and manifest yourself. You are the Holy One, dwelling in light so bright. You made the sun and the moon, but you shine brighter than all. As we rejoice and call upon your name, please come and take your place and manifest yourself.